Today's topic is how to copy your content from Distrokid to UnitedMasters. So this can pretty much work for any distributor. And the first thing that I need to tell you is do not delete anything. Please, please do not delete anything. Well, at least until we're done here. So all your recordings will have ISRC codes attached to them. You are going to need these. If you have any albums out, you need your UPC codes. You will need to know who owns the copyright for each song and what year it was released, artist names, obviously the names of each song, album names, and so forth. Now, generally, the distributor, in this case, Distrokid, will have all this info. However, I don't use Distrokid, nor have I ever. So the method I'm going to show you is more universal. So what you want to do is go to isrcfinder.com. Type in your artist name and the name of the song in the search bar, and there you go. If you've uploaded an album, then you can go to get your UPC link. To get said link, simply head over to the album on Spotify and click on the three dots. Look for share and hit copy album link. Take that link and paste it and hit enter, and there you go. There is your album UPC code. So once you have all the info, again, you don't have to go my route, you can just get it from your distributor. It's time to re-release each song and or album using their specific UPC and ISRC codes. Make sure to copy and paste instead of retyping them just to avoid any mistakes. So go through the usual process of uploading an album or uploading a song, and once everything is re-released and your new release stream counts have been copied over, now in this instance you're going to have two versions of the album or song out, one on Distrokid and one on UnitedMasters or whatever other distributor you are using. That is correct. Only once the stream counts have been copied over will you go to your original distributor, again in this case Distrokid, and delete your old album. Now it's going to be painful when you see it, but it must be done. Word of caution, make sure the audio file you upload is the exact same one, as again, any deviation from the original will result in stream counts not being copied over, and you'll have wasted all your time with this process. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped you to transfer your music from your old distributor to UnitedMasters. Consider dropping us a like and have an amazing night.